back to Vivi Talks. Today my talk is about the ants. Yes, the ants which work very hard and work till they are dead. Come with me. Let's see how the ants originate from one queen to a big colony. A successful and big colony of ants start from a nuptial flight. Nuptial flight is when a queen ant mates with a male ant. There is a bad part and a good part about the nuptial flight. The bad part is because the queen ant is very vulnerable at this time, as there is no soldier ants or worker ants to protect her. There are some parasitic flies that can infect the queen ant at this time, which can lay their eggs on the outer skeleton of the queen ant within a second. After the eggs are laid, the queen ants do as they usually do after mating. They burrow into a chamber and start laying their eggs. But for the infected queen, she cannot lay her eggs because the eggs that have been laid in her egg cell skeleton will grow into larvae and burrow into a gaster and eat any incubating egg. And after eating every single egg, the larvae will go and proceed into eating the organs of the queen ant. This is clearly so gross. And after eating, and the queen will be dead. These larvae will bulge and burrow out of the queen ant and start pupating. Another bad part is when the queen cannot mate with another male ant because the main ant will be occupied with other queens and maybe the queen ant cannot mate with the male ant. If this happens, the queen ant will burrow as usual and make a chamber and lay the eggs, but the eggs will hatch into male ants which do not work and the queen will starve to its death. And she cannot mate with her sons as she can only breed once in her lifetime. The good part is after the queen has successfully avoided these parasitic flies and has successfully mated with the male ants, she can start her colony. She first of all finds a place to burrow in. After finding the place, she breaks her wings off to create a sort of crown or royal throne. Then she creates the chamber and starts laying the eggs. There is one problem that she can face during this time. That is other colonies attacking her. And after she successfully avoids these colonies, she has the first batch of her eggs. These eggs will grow into larvae, pupa, and into adult ants. You all may be thinking, how does the queen ant feed these eggs? It is by the ant milk that she produces, by the nutrients of her wing muscles that she broke off, as she cannot scavenge into the wild and find food, as it is really risky. After these larvae turn and grow into pupa and grow into adult ants, they release a kind of pheromone that the queen sees or can smell and other workers are there, then they also get attracted by this pheromone. But in this case, there is the only queen because no workers has hatched yet. The queen hardly rips off the cover of the adult ant as like in the butterflies, this ant or worker ant cannot come up the cover. After working so much hard to release it from its cover, the worker ants sees the world for the first time. These ants are called the nanitics, not the ordinary worker ants, as they only use a little resource to hatch. When they are born, their skeletal structure is really weak, and after sitting for a long time, they will have their skeletal structure really hard and is able to work. That's all for today's video. I hope you got a fair idea about how ants originate from one queen to a big colony. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends and family and near and dear ones. Turn on the notification button for more videos like this and please put some suggestions in the comments. Remember, your motivation is my inspiration. Have a great day.